Hey, this is JD, and I'm going to show you these pretty easy chords. I just kind of use them to just fill time. You know, a lot of times I just go to different keys and just run that. Alright, so basically it's real simple. I'll give it to you pretty much in every key. Alright, so we'll look at it in the key of C. Alright. First I'm going to play, what I'm playing is left hand. I'm going to keep it on that C, on the 1. So left hand, I got it on C. Right hand, first I'm going to play a C major chord, C, E, and G. Or, alright, one chord. Alright, that top note is going to be the note that I'm kind of going to hit often, I guess you'll say. My next chord, I'm going to play a 5 chord, a G major chord. But I'm going to play it inverted. And so the only thing, I'm just going to bring the C and E to a B and D. So I have I have B, D, and G. B, D, and G. While playing C still in the left hand. I'm going to play that C the whole time. Alright? Then I'm going to go down to the flat 7. So I'm just following that melody down. C, B, B flat, A. So when I get to that B flat, I'm going to play a B flat major chord. I'm adding the 9 there. So I have B flat, C, D, and E. And then I'm playing F major. Alright, inverted. F major inverted over C, so A, C, and F. So basically I'm playing a 1 chord, 5 chord, flat 7, and then a 4. Alright, this progression, I use this progression a lot on Lord You're Good. Alright, that sound right there. So it's just taking that and just kind of just filling it in. So let me go to D flat, same thing. And just going 1, 5. Alright, I moved through this quick. So I'm going to keep the D flat in my left hand the whole time. I'm going to play my 1 chord, D flat major, add that 9, go to the 5, A flat major, inverted. So you want the melody to go down like that. So you gotta play the chords to fit that. So you gotta play the first inversion, A flat major, then B major, over with the D flat in there, and then a G flat major or F sharp major. B flat, D flat, G flat. Alright, hit that 5, A flat, and then come back to the 1. So, D, same thing, same chords. Alright, so D major, 1 chord, 5 chords going to be that A major, first inversion, melody. Alright, so then I'm going to play a C major, and the 9, and to a G major, with the B at the bottom, B, D, and G. So, top note, it's going to be your friend, E flat. I'm not going to go through these all, I'm just going to play through them. You get the 1, 5, flat 7, 4. 1, 5, flat 7, 4. Just get those inversions down. That 5. practice that in all your keys. A major. A major is tricky for me. Definitely not one of my best keys. I don't think I have any videos in A major. B flat. So I like this. The reason why I'm stopping and starting over, I like to start up top at this octave and then work my way down to that bottom octave the second time around. 5, 1. Have that D, B flat in there. B major. So alright, and then back to C. Yeah. So play along with that, remember? Same thing for Lord, You Are Good. Just in case you forget it. And that melody just walks down. Alright? Hope that helped. If you have any questions.